Earth. Mesmerizing with its unique beauty, yet possessing incredible power. Majestic mountains, lush forests, and endless oceans. But these wonders are also shaped by nature's fury. Massive volcanic eruptions, devastating earthquakes, tsunamis, and storms. This video brings together the planet's most stunning landscapes and nature's greatest disasters. Get ready to witness both breathtaking beauty and sheer destruction. Now, let's explore the magnificent face of Earth and its most furious moments. If you see the ocean suddenly receding, don't stand there. Because the giant wave is already on its way. A tsunami starts in silence, but when it arrives, it sweeps everything away. When you see a fireball suddenly appear in the sky, don't just make a wish. Because some meteors bring disaster, not wishes. They move silently, but when they fall, Earth is never the same. As meteors silently travel from space to Earth, they carry within them a tremendous power. Their brief brightness can obliterate an entire civilization. Looking at the great disasters in history, sometimes a fleeting light in the sky can bring the end of a world. Volcanoes are symbols of the power erupting from the depths of the Earth. With every eruption, it's not just the lava that emerges, but the release of the immense energy beneath the Earth's surface. These eruptions are both destructive and a part of nature's process of renewal. Sinkholes form when the hidden voids inside the Earth suddenly collapse. The secret cavities beneath the surface emerge in an instant, swallowing everything in their path. As nature shapes itself in ways we can't see, these moments remind us of how full of mysteries the world truly is. They are the animals I fear the most in this life. If one climbed on top of my car like that, I'd probably lose my mind.